Hello, my name is Maria Jar, and today I will present to you the setup phase for Miconia biological control in the state of Hawaii. A quick overview. First, I will discuss the biological control of the Miconia calvescens, followed up by the vision statement. Next, moving on to the stakeholder groups, and finishing up with overarching goals and references. The biological control of Miconia calvescens in the state of Hawaii has been needed since 1960s when it was first introduced to the Hawaiian Islands as a botanical plant. It is a fast-growing tree that is capable of producing millions of seeds annually that can be widespread by animals, birds, and humans over long distances. Miconia trees grow in close proximity and have a very large canopy, thus suffocating other plants around it. It's been identified as an invasive species, and it is currently threatening well-being of approximately 70 other plant species. To prevent further damage and reverse some of the effects of biological control is necessary. A butterfly from Costa Rica has been proposed as a natural predator for the biological control of Miconia calvescens. The vision statement of this project is protecting and restoring native lands. Aloha Aina, which means in Hawaiian language, love of the land, is a central idea of Native Hawaiian practice and culture. Native Hawaiian ecological and cultural orientation is founded upon a sense of being connected to all living things and the land. This expression is used to describe a relationship a person has with a community, history, their way of life, and the care for the land. Preserving the Aina is important for the Native Hawaiians, not only for the use of future generations, but also to maintain sacred land and traditions. There are three distinct stakeholder groups in this project, starting with the federal agencies, the National Park Service, Volcanoes National Park, Natural Resources Conservation Service, Pacific Island Area, and the U.S. Geological Survey. The next is the state agencies, which are the DLNR Division of State Parks, Land Division, State Historic Preservation Administration, HDOA Pest Control, and finally, the University of Hawaii Environmental Center, which is very involved in the Hawaiian environment. Finally is the local organization and groups, starting with the Hawaii City Council, next the Hawaii City Department of Planning, Hawaii Conservation Alliance, and last but not least, the Native Hawaiian Advisory Council. On the right-hand side, you can see a map of the Big Island of Hawaii, and in purple, you can see the areas that have been highlighted and found that have present Miconia calvescens. All of those areas are one on federal lands, and then also there are state parks and as well as the National Park of Hawaii volcanoes. And finally, to preserve the cultural and historical importance, the Native Hawaiian Advisory Council is involved as well. Below are the overarching goals, starting with protecting and conserving natural resources, conservation and use of Hawaii natural resources, managing natural resources, and promoting benefits of multiple uses without causing environmental damage. The second goal is protecting rare or endangered species, and two objectives of that goal is promoting protecting of rare or endangered plant and animal species, as well as researching mutually beneficial relationships and the management of ecosystems. Final, third overarching goal is preventing endangerment of new species. And within that, the objective is managing invasive species and their effects on the native species. Below are my references used in making of this presentation. Thank you so much.